Okay, I'm calling this the lazy income stack. Personal branding plus affiliate marketing. Pretty much if you're okay with talking to your iPhone, which is what I'm doing right now, by the way. This is not a fancy camera, this is an iPhone. And all I use is a free streaming software, I'll actually show you that right now, called OBS to share my screen and talk about what I'm doing on my computer. And you can actually see in there, the webcam is properties, iPhone, yeah, iPhone 6. It's not an iPhone 6, okay? It's just, I don't know why it says 6, but I have an iPhone 12. Don't leave the video just because you think that. But in all seriousness, this is something that I've been doing for years. And one of the things that has felt very true to me lately is like, we all know what's happening with the economy. We all know what's happening with tariffs. Okay, and it's a good position to be in. Like right now, I'm a made in the USA Amazon FBA seller. There's nothing going wrong for me, which is actually really nice. I feel like I had good foresight, got out of that game, and now it feels really good. So technically, there's nothing wrong with starting a business that requires you to source a physical product, build a brand. But one of the common threads that I'm seeing is just like the average American needs help making an income that's not a job, that doesn't feel like a rat race, that is transparent, that's still true to who they are, but just they can do it themselves. And maybe that it's not the best time right now to go and leverage capital of your own or something like that. That seems to be like what the feeling is like. And so I'm here to offer you something a little bit different. This is inspired by my last couple of videos. I made a video for, I think, the first time ever about affiliate marketing and passive income, and you guys ate it up. And so I wanted to make more videos like this because, well, you like it. And so obviously you think it's valuable and I should do more about this. So here's how it works. You could do this in a number of ways. And by the way, if you saw some of my recent videos, don't worry, we're going over some new stuff today. You take a video like this. It's just, again, filmed with an iPhone. Okay, it's me tying flies. It's one of my hobbies. It's got 22,000 views. I posted it last year in the winter. It's now this winter/spring. And best fly tying materials around. It's one of the links. It's a bit.ly link. Boom, we click on the link. It brings you here. These are not my products. This is an affiliate link. So I make 10% of every sale from this company. So someone buys a $500 fishing rod, I make $54. If someone buys a $800 reel, I make $89. If someone just buys some flies and spends $70, I make $7. Okay? And so it's a really simple model. It's really easy. Everyone can do this. The key here is that you just have to start a content strategy, and that's why I said personal brand plus affiliate marketing. The personal brand is like the ultimate hack because I've been doing it for 7 years now. I started my personal brand 7 years ago. I've started a handful of other channels. I started that fishing channel.
His knowledge and expertise have had a huge impact.
Oops. That's one of my mentors in fishing. And that started doing really well. And so all you have to do is document, not create. I'm sure you've heard that phrase before. I didn't come up with that phrase. It's nothing new. But as you can see, like for this channel, my personal brand for business, I started talking about money and me making my business and how to do the things I'm doing. My first shipment for Amazon FBA 6 years ago, how I launched my product. And so then I lost everything and went broke and my product failed. So I said, here's how I went broke, my full story. And then I started doing it, new products. And here's how I'm finding my new products. Here's me working a job. And so just like literally and getting into retail arbitrage and making videos about that. At the time, it would have blown my mind if you told me the video that I'm making today will one day have over 100,000 views. Because the video is very simple. It is me doing retail arbitrage in my bedroom, in my parents' house. That's that video that now has 100,000 views. And if you go to the links in the description of this video, you'll see there's a Helium 10 link, there's a Jungle Scout link, there's an LLC link, there's a few one-on-one calls, and that's part of the personal brand as well. And so you can get Jungle Scout. When you buy this, I make money. You make your LLC. When you start that, I make money. You Obviously, go to my Patreon. If you join my community or do a one-on-one call, of course, I make money. You go to Helium 10 and buy that, and I make money. And so it's not like there's anything wrong with that. It is the easiest thing to do. You don't need any startup money. You just need to be transparent about your journey and start making content no matter what it is that you're doing. And you can separate it by channel. And so I've had a lot of YouTube channels. I probably have had like 7 or 8 YouTube channels now. I've had one that was about guitar, one about fishing, one about business. I just started one about my practice with spirituality and meditation. And so this is literally brand new, 21 hours ago, 3 days ago. You can follow that if you want. There's just no end to this. It's like the laziest way to make money online is to just make content about what you're actually doing. And I think there's this deep-rooted fear that people have that like they aren't qualified. That is, comment down below if you feel that way. Like, I would do it, but trust me, I just don't know anything. Like, I know you have experience with business and you have experience with fishing and all these hobbies. I don't have any hobbies. I have no experience in business. Yeah, well, guess what? There's probably like 16 million people just like that, where you're just like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't like, look at like Emma Chamberlain's channel. A lot of it was like long shots of her like drinking a coffee and being like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm like super anxious today. Say that. That's fine. Okay, so there's really no way to go wrong with this, and it requires no money. And so it's just one of those age-old battles of you versus you. Do you have the courage to say, you know, maybe instead of getting a part-time job, I'm going to make an effort at building a personal brand? Just don't be anything that you're not. Don't try and act like you know something you don't. That's cringy. That is annoying. And that does feel like, oh, you're an internet guru and you don't care about people. Just like be a normal person, but record videos about what you're doing. I mean, this is a great example. This video is not taking me a lot of effort. Okay, I just had some lunch. I got back from the gym and I had a few things on my mind about what I might be able to talk about today, what's been doing well lately. And here we are talking about affiliate marketing and the personal brand being like the ultimate lazy income stack. It's one where just consistency pays off. Like if you can make 3 videos a week, long form videos, 9 minutes long on YouTube, talking to your iPhone for the next 52 weeks, just 1 year experiment, you will make money. You will make a passive income, not entirely passive. What is it? 3 hours a week or something? 9-minute videos? No, 30 minutes a week, a couple more minutes editing it. I don't even make thumbnails anymore on this channel specifically. Other channels I do, but like just put in the effort that you're willing to make, but then just like set a commitment to yourself that I'm not going to expect results on my first few videos. I'm not going to expect results for, let me try 3 months, 4 months and see where I'm at. And then I could start reflecting on what's working, what's not. Whatever's working, I'll just start doing more of. This video is a great example of that. I posted 1 video about affiliate marketing. It was the best video I posted in the last 30 days. And now the last couple videos I posted have been about affiliate marketing. And it's not that all of these are going to hit, all of these are going to land. But as I start to see what people like, see what the audiences are reacting to on different channels, I try and use that to craft and be more helpful to you. And I think the biggest part about this, what's so cool, is that it requires no money from you to make money this way. And you also get to help people through where they are, through relating to you and where you are. Does that make sense? Like, there's nothing cringy about this. There's nothing weird. No one's judging you. No one gives a crap about this small little YouTube channel you're going to make. All that's going to happen is you're likely going to have a new audience of people who are just like you, who have similar views, who appreciate tuning in to listen to your thoughts. You'll have a support network. You'll have a community of like-minded people. And then the opportunity to monetize it. There's nothing wrong with that. You'll happily go and trade many hours of your life working for someone else. And then for some reason, like you think it's weird to be suggested that, well, why don't you just like build like your thing and then like you own all of it. And so then like in any way you want to make money with it, it's all just yours. It's not like for another company or something. That's an idea that needs to be more popularized. That's what entrepreneurship is. I mean, it's becoming more popularized, right? It's not like a foreign idea or anything, but I think it's important that you test this. Try it. Personal brand, affiliate marketing. There's no startup cost. There's nothing like that. Just make good, honest content about where you're at, about what you're doing, about what your experiences are. And if it is, I have no experience, I have no idea what I'm doing, but here's what I'm trying to do. Make that video. Okay, I'm telling you, there's no wrong video. The only wrong video is one in which you're not being truthful to who you are. So let's clear that right off the top. Don't make an alter ego that makes YouTube videos and pretends to be successful. That is like the cringiest thing ever, okay? No one likes that. You will be ridiculed, and rightfully so. Just say, hey, I don't know what I'm doing. Or, hey, here's what worked for me. It's probably not the best way to do it, but this did work a little bit. And try that. That's what a personal brand is. It's consistently showing up and documenting what you're working on, even if what you're working on is nothing. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know if this was helpful down in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe if you happen to be new. Other than that, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Later.